welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. I'm going to have some links in my description box down below in case you want to donate, support, or educate yourself. I highly recommend that you do so. But today we are going to be talking about some plants that I don't think that I'll ever be purchasing. I don't want to say that I'll never buy these plants because I know that this list actually used to be a whole lot longer. I used to have like cacti on this list and like other sorts of Hoya, and now I'm just kind of like, I love all the Hoya. I don't care if it's ugly, I want it. And I love cacti now. So things change, opinions change, but for right now, in this moment, I do not think that I'm going to be buying any of these plants anytime soon. Let me know if you guys have some plants that are just like total no-goes for you. You will never buy it. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like these plants, definitely don't take it the wrong way. These are just my opinions, but yeah. The first plant that I'm gonna talk about, I actually talked about in one of my Repot With Me videos, but Pink Princess. Pink princesses, they're pretty to an extent. I feel like that's kind of how it is for a lot of philodendrons, where there are some people out there and like Instagram makes them look beautiful and they just look super awesome in some photos, at some angles. But if I'm being honest here, a lot of the pink princesses that are out there for sale typically don't look that great. They're either reverting, they don't have enough pink, or they just like look muddy and weird and just like not super pretty. I love pink plants. I love pink. My wall is pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. I enjoy pink. Pink is girly. Pink is cute. But there's something about a pink princess that is just very off-putting to me. I don't like them. Wouldn't recommend, wouldn't purchase them, and I feel like they're a little overhyped. I know that the ones on Gabriella Plants are typically the ones that actually look good, but the ones that like you can buy from overseas, or the ones that are like tiny little baby plants that are slightly cheaper, those just look real funky. So yeah, I do not see myself ever buying that plant. The next few plants are common plants. So bromeliads, I don't like bromeliads. I'm not sure who likes bromeliads. They're so weird looking. My mom has a bromeliad downstairs and they kind of act like orchids in the sense that they're epiphytes, but like they're just weird. I don't know. They're really strange. They don't have like the coolest, most unique looking foliage, and they also have really strange flowers. So I don't think I'd ever see myself buying a bromeliad. Ivy, definitely not. 100% no, not buying ivy. Never buying ivy. I hear that they're like spider mite magnets. Ivies are very pest prone and they die really easily, so don't recommend that. Along the lines of ivy, ferns are awful. Ferns are, I think, just as bad as calathea. Like, you think that you're taking good care of them and they look super awesome. They're really pretty and like they look fluffy, like the maiden's hair fern and like the rabbit's foot fern. They all look super cool. And then just all of a sudden they decide they don't like you and then they die. So not fun. Definitely doesn't bring joy to me. I don't know about y'all, but yeah. So ivy, bromeliads, ferns, calathea. Not a big fan of those. So the next plant on my list is actually the Variegated Adansonii, and I'm about to make a lot of people upset because I know that this is a very like highly sought after plant, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I actually think that I'm kind of off the variegation train. It's kind of difficult to maintain variegation, which is why I just don't trust myself buying variegated plants anymore. I'm worried that I'm gonna buy this super overpriced plant that's variegated and really cool looking and then bring it home and not take care of it correctly and then have it revert on me. Variegation is very unstable. I don't feel like you can really do much in terms of your environment if you're trying to keep a variegated plant variegated. And then variegated plants also, if you don't have them in the right humidity, or if like the leaf starts to die off, it starts turning brown and it just, I don't know, you end up looking like you have a dying plant, and it's really not my favorite look. I definitely prefer green, like luscious looking foliage. This might definitely be because I'm broke and I definitely don't have the money for variegated plants. I don't know if maybe if I did have the means to buy these plants that I would enjoy them more, but currently right now it's a no from me. So yeah, those are, I think, all the plants that I wanted to talk about. Some of them are common, some of them were rare. I also feel like it's necessary for me to just throw out there that I don't think I'd ever in my entire life, even if I end up being rich and famous, I do not think that I will ever purchase a plant that's more than $500. I feel like that's so much money. That is so much money on a plant that I could kill. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!